You know how to do it. Okay.
Now it's time to get my hair all blown out, and I want to make sure I shout out the stylist. Her name is Faith, and be sure to follow her on Instagram at faithfield_beauty. She is truly talented, y'all, and really cares about your hair. So she knew I was a naturalista, so she was very mindful of that. Now, when we talked, I said, hey, I want to come in, get a hairstyle. You know, I want my hair like really giving. And so she suggested that I do a quick weave. So this is why we're here today. And this particular style was perfect for me just because of what I do for a living, you know, creating hair content. So we wanted a style that can switch up with no problem. Look, we were moving and grooving. I really liked the process. She was not heavy-handed at all or anything. Also, too, once again, as I always tell y'all, if y'all going to a salon, you want a stylist that hears what you are saying. Not that you're coming in like you know everything, but just honestly, truly hearing like, hey, that's too tight, or hey, like, can we move that over? Maybe not the middle part, maybe a side part instead. Like, you want a stylist that cares about you and that's gentle with you, as you even saw when she was shampooing my hair, really got to my scalp, all that good stuff. And this process was just so smooth, relaxing, honestly. They was good. They was playing good old school music the day I came in, so I was jamming. But this process was really nice. We are moving along, and I'm just like, wow, my first quick weave. Who am I? I think the biggest adjustment that I had was just, you know, wearing the cap. But the release did come when she cut around my right here. When she cut around the perimeter, that definitely helped loosen it up. But that's not my only adjustment, just because I'm used to wearing my hair out and curly. But I definitely adjusted to it, and I was feeling myself, okay? Because you're gonna see why. It was so seamless. I'm like, is this my hair? Let me find out. I did buy this hair from her as well, and then at home I bought it for my birthday, so like last year, and then I just dyed it so it can match my hair a little bit better and went from there. So I realized midway, wait, I never showed the salon. So this is it right here. So everybody has their own, you know, station. But the cool thing was they had a shampoo area. They also had a blow dry area. And then they also had a coloring station. So everything didn't happen just at the chair, which I thought was cool. So I just wanted to point that out. I found that to be unique because, you know, every salon is different. So you just want to highlight what they do at theirs. So as you can see, she's curling my hair, which, you know, at this point, you kind of getting hype, you know, because, you know, after this, you're almost done. But also, too, you about to look really good, because I was looking good with it just straight. But now she's adding really cute curls that we are going to also comb out, because I just wanted a certain look then and there, and that's what we did. But yeah, you know, curls last way longer, so keep them in if you can. And you know I'm getting cute because I'm putting on lip gloss, so you know your girl is ready. I'm looking good. I've always wanted my hair like this. My hair is obviously not long like that yet, so I was like, let me go ahead and get my hair done like this. I have just been wanting to have fun with my hair, not color right now. We not there yet, but I have been like, look, what hairstyle do you want to try? Let's go ahead and do it. And so that's what we've been doing, and I've been wanting to wear my hair straight, so we are on a roll. Okay, also a little oily right there, please ignore that. But be sure to check out Faith and book Faith, because if you want to look good like this that's who you need to go to. If you want one of these, that's who you need to go to. Okay, so I just wanted to share that, and I am going to show y'all how I maintain it, so do stay tuned for that, because yeah, I never had to maintain a quick weave. I don't remember the last time I had a quick weave, you know, for real. So we're gonna see how this goes, but let me know what y'all think so far with my hair. Yes, I may pin curl it. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I may pin curl it. Just one more time for you all, because like, I look good, I look blessed. Looking good and looking blessed. Wow. Look at. Now, I didn't go that long. I forgot how long this hair is. I bought this hair from her as well. This the hair extensions, I did buy this from her as well. I don't know how long this is, but it's not that long. One day I may go longer. You know what? 31, I'm acting different. I have transformed. I'm different. What's that song? Yep, I'm different. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. That's what you're seeing here. Looks good. I'm excited. And shout out to the Grays as usual. The salon experience was top tier. She used the brush to, like, you know, really get to my scalp. It felt great. Okay, gentle, did what she needed to do. Hair is laid. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Where's my man? Gotta get one from after this, right? Y'all ignore that, you know, that's makeup, but y'all gotta get one after this, right? Probably not, but that's okay. Patience, ladies, patience. That's why we succeeded in singleness. Okay. All right, I'm back home. Okay, that was the water. That was not me. I don't know why I sound like that anyway, but I'm back home, and I was out and about. She was out and about. Did she look good? Don't hide me up. But come on, hide me up. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure I buy some, because I used to have like the pin curl clips, but we're gonna use bobby pins and see how this goes and flows. But this is what your girl is looking like. Wow, who is she? It's me. It's still me. Look, y'all know I'm gonna hype myself up. You know I can't wait on nobody to hype me up. I'm gonna do it myself. So that's probably gonna be like my biggest adjustment, is to, you know, make sure I brush the hair, get out the tangles, and pin curl it at night. So hopefully I've mastered the pin curls by now, because so y'all also now able to see how long it is. She didn't like trim it or anything, which I kind of like, because it keeps it kind of light. But yeah, so to still answer that question, like, it's not tight, it's just an adjustment. So it's not that tight where, because y'all know I don't like nothing tight on my head, okay? I really like tight clothes, okay? So I'm using 2 fingers, wrapping it, and then on the end you slide that last little piece in between your fingers. Okay. You roll it. Now, will I be doing this every night? I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm trying to preserve the curl. So we're gonna make it so whatever. My scarf, then my bonnet.